My name is Hunter Holderfield. I am the lead automation engineer at Innovative Automations. I will be showing you a workflow that disables Active Directory users after they go stale for a certain amount of days and then notifies the customer point of contact for the users that were disabled. So the first step here, just a very basic no-op start of the process here. The next step, we are integrating with LineGuard, and this is pulling a metric, and this metric is created in LineGuard, looking through the list of users here, and any users that have stale are being returned in this list. The one condition to this would be if it's null or if there's no accounts found, it's then going to take this next condition and skip to just sending a notification and completing the workflow. However, if there are accounts found that are stale, it then takes this path. And there is a script that we have created in Ninja. It is looking for users as the parameters. And the users that are fed into this parameter is what is being returned from LineGuard. So for any users that are found, it's going to loop through each of those users using their SAM account name and Active Directory, setting them to disabled. And then if there is any issue, it will log that as a failed with the exception message. Going back to the Rewst automation here, after it does that for all of the user accounts that have been identified, it's then kicking over to create a no-op list for Microsoft Teams. And this is just to benefit our team internally at Innovative Automations so we know when a workflow has completed. The next step, delivering that notification to the point of contact. So in this example, it's just sending this notification to me for this demo. The message here is checking to see if that user list is equal to 0. If so, it's going to just return there were no accounts found. And if there were results, it's going to return the username that was disabled. And so this would be the notification that the customer point of contact would have received. And of course, this is all customizable. We can change that if there's additional information that needs to be included, but that is a rundown of what this workflow is doing. Do something else with those 4 to 6 hours a week.